if you change just one stitch in Basic Granny Square, you can do this. And so much more. Let me show you. This is Basic Granny Square. It is made of groups of 3 double crochet stitches. If you don't know how to make it, I have a tutorial on Basic Granny Square. The link is in the description. But what if I replace the middle double crochet stitch with a bubble stitch? Let's see what's gonna happen. This is our first DC stitch. We're gonna leave it. 2 yarns over and finished another one and the third one. Yarn over, finish all 3. And the third double crochet stitch. Ta-da! Just look at it. And now it looks so different. And also the stitch count is not affected. We have the same 3 stitches in every group. 2 double crochets and the bubble stitch. So it is easy. Let's make the corner to prove it. First double crochet, bubble stitch, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, finish them all, and it's short double crochet, chain 3, and another one. Double crochet, bubble stitch, and the third double crochet. Here. So these are flat stitches and these are raised stitches. And now, if you use a different combinations of flat and raised stitches for Basic Granny Square, you can have so many more different looks for the old Basic Granny Square. Just to give you an idea of how much you can do. Flat, raised, raised. Flat, raised, flat. Raised, raised, flat. Raised, raised, raised corners, flat, 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 flat. raised, flat, raised. All raised. Popcorn. Raised, raised, again raised corners, flat, 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 flat. Just different color combo. And this. What is your combination? Let me know in the comments. Looking for a perfect flower granny square, but cannot find one? Design your own. Let me show you how actually easy is it to design your own flower granny square. Welcome to Crochet Tanya. Let's make beauty together, one flower at a time.